The conference is organized annually to facilitate market linkages, business-to-business networking, business mentorship, specifically for women, but supported by the community. The ABSA Inspire Me conference is organized annually because it's a conversation around women to ensure we can track what women businesses are doing annually. This initiative is a testament to our commitment to empowering 1 million women, and we said this when we launched our proposition in 2021. Within 5 years, we should be able to do this. So this is aligned to that proposition. What are the highlights for this particular conference this year? This year, we're thrilled to announce that the conference will be held, of course, in Kenya, in Nairobi, targeting 10,000 women in business participants. We might think we've invited Ghana, Mauritius, the UK will be in the room, South Africa will be in the room, but guess what? There'll probably be more. Yeah? The question is, are you brave to connect? Yeah, when we said it's an African conference, there are people who are going to connect virtually from different countries across Africa.
ITC launched the She Trades initiative to remove barriers to women's participation in trade by working with private sector partners such as ABSA, by working with government, by working with business support organizations, and eventually the women-led businesses themselves. Okay, we build their capacities to create a fairer and more sustainable global economy. She Trades hubs, let me talk a bit more about that. It's a really global phenomenon that we launched in a She Trades initiative in 2016, and eventually in 2021 launched the hubs, and found that it's a more sustainable way of working with women in different nations across the globe. And so we have created content, we have created networks, and above all else, for us, it's very key that above being inspired, which is fantastic, that's why we're here for the ABSA Inspire Me conference, above being inspired, we want to see trade deals happening one